Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy, here with McConnell Chevrolet, here to go over this 2017 Z71 LT Silverado. Has a leveling kit, has the Sport Z71 Sport Appearance package, so it has the painted grille and bumpers. Does have a little bit of a lift with the black wheels, off-road tires. Let's take a look at what this truck has to offer. You have your 5.3 V8. First major tune-up's not till 100,000 miles. Your plugs are good for 100,000. Your belts are made out of Kevlar. They're good for 100,000. Deck's coolant. It's not antifreeze, so it doesn't have any silicas in it, so it doesn't rust out your radiator over time, like antifreeze was known to. That's good for 150,000 miles. This truck has custom interior, two-tone leather, the dark ebony leather with the gray on the doors and on the seats. It does have heated seats right here. Of course, the 10-way power seats. This middle here flips up. You have a seat there, and you have a locking glove box right underneath there. You have your infotainment center. You have your trailer brakes, four-wheel drive. It does have tilt wheel and telescoping. OnStar and a CD player. You have the factory bed liner, Line X bed liner, locking tailgate, full tow package with corner steps in the bumpers. You have the elongated posts here to hoist yourself up, and you have both trailers set up, 5-pin and 7-pin. With the Z71, you have the full Rancho shocks. You have skid plates underneath, and you have the G80 rear locking differential. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It's your neighborhood car guy telling you to keep the rubber on the road.